welcome back. How are you today?
Hey, Emma, I'm doing well. I feel good today.
That's great. Why do you feel so good?
I had a nice breakfast and the weather is beautiful.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Good breakfast plus good weather equals good mood.
Exactly.
Today, we have a very useful topic for beginners. Today's topic is telling someone where you're from.
Yes, people ask this question all the time. Where are you from?
Exactly. It's one of the first questions people ask when meeting someone new.
Right, and beginners need simple ways to answer.
Yes. So today, we will practice easy sentences to say where you're from.
Let's start.
First, the important question, where are you from?
And the simple answer is, I am from blank.
Yes, very simple. Listeners, repeat. Where are you from? I am from. Great.
Now let's give some example countries.
Sure. I am from Brazil. I am from Mexico. I am from Iran. I am from India. I am from Japan. I am from Italy. I am from Egypt. I am from Turkey. I am from Canada. I am from Spain.
Listeners, repeat a few. I am from Iran. I am from Turkey. I am from India. I am from Brazil.
Excellent.
Emma, where are you from?
I am from the United States. I'm from a small town.
Nice. A small town sounds peaceful.
Yes, it's quiet and calm.
What about me? Where do you think I am from?
I know, but let's pretend I don't. Leo, where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Brazil, beautiful country.
Thank you.
Now let's teach how to give more details like city or region. You can say, I am from Iran. I'm from Tehran. I am from Mexico. I'm from Mexico City. I am from Japan. I'm from Osaka.
Yes, very simple.
So the structure is, I'm from.
Listeners, try it now. Say, I'm from.
Perfect.
Emma, maybe we can teach another common question. Where do you live?
Yes, because where you're from and where you live can be different. The question is, where do you live?
And the answer is, I live in.
For example, I live in London. I live in Toronto. I live in Istanbul. I live in Dubai.
Or you can say, I live in a small town. I live in a big city.
Exactly. Simple sentences are the best. Listeners, repeat. I live in a small town. I live in a big city. Good.
Emma, can you give an example with both?
Sure. I am from the United States, but I live in Spain.
That's perfect. Many people move to another country.
Yes, you can say, I am from blank, but I live in blank. Listeners, repeat. I am from blank, but I live in blank.
Great job.
Now let's do a simple model conversation. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Oh, nice. What city are you from?
I'm from Sao Paulo.
And where do you live now?
I live in Lisbon.
That's beautiful. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's a lovely city.
That was a natural introduction conversation.
Very easy for beginners.
Exactly.
Now, let's teach some adjectives to talk about where you're from.
Yes. Beautiful, big, small, quiet, busy, famous, warm, cold.
Listeners, repeat after us. Beautiful, big, quiet, busy, warm, cold.
Good job.
Then you can say, my city is big. My town is small.
My country is warm. My city is busy.
Let's practice. Leo, tell us something about your city.
Sao Paulo is big and busy.
Nice and true.
What about your hometown?
My hometown is small and quiet.
Sounds peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful.
Listeners, try now. My city is. My country is.
Excellent. Now let's add one more useful question. How long have you lived here?
Oh, that's a good one.
A simple beginner answer can be for 2 years, for 5 months, for a long time.
For example, I have lived here for 3 years.
Good. Listeners, repeat. I have lived here for 3 years. Great job.
Great job. Emma, maybe we can do another natural conversation?
Yes, let's do it. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. I'm from Brazil.
Oh, wow, Brazil. What city are you from?
I'm from Sao Paulo.
And where do you live now?
I live in Lisbon.
How long have you lived in Lisbon?
I have lived here for 2 years.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's beautiful and warm.
Very nice. I'm from the United States, but I live in Madrid now.
Oh, cool. How long have you lived in Madrid?
I've lived here for 1 year.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Great. That was a perfect introduction conversation.
Yes, learners can use this anywhere. School, work, parties, travel, anywhere.
Exactly.
Now let's give listeners a chance to practice. Answer these questions out loud. Where are you from? What city are you from? Where do you live now? How long have you lived there? Do you like it?
Great speaking practice.
Okay, time for a quick review. Today, we learned how to answer, "Where are you from?" with, "I am from blank."
And how to answer, where do you live? With, I live in blank.
And we practiced, "I am from blank, but I live in blank."
And we learned adjectives to describe your city. Big, small, quiet, busy, warm, cold, beautiful.
And we practiced simple conversation about your country, city, and where you live now.
Very useful for meeting new people.
Yes, this is one of the most important topics for beginners.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.